XSQHFAN 10-inch, touchscreen, DVR rearview mirror dash cam, expanded vision and enhanced safety. Experience safer and smarter driving with the XSQHFAN 10-inch touchscreen DVR rearview mirror dash cam. This innovative device transforms your vehicle's rearview mirror into a comprehensive safety tool, offering a broader field of vision, smart angle adjustments, and full HD 1080p video recording. It's the ideal addition to any car, enhancing both safety and convenience. Key features: 10-inch 16:9 LCD widescreen. The high transparent 10-inch widescreen delivers an expanded view, allowing you to monitor the entire road while driving. Compared to traditional rearview mirrors, the streaming video mirror offers approximately 4 times the field of vision. Adjustable length. Designed with flexibility in mind, the XSQHFAN rearview mirror accommodates various rearview mirror sizes. You can adjust its length by 3 cm to ensure a perfect fit. Smart Rear View Angle Switch. This intelligent feature seamlessly switches between driving and parking modes. While driving, you have a clear view of all vehicles and objects behind you. When parking, the rear view angle automatically adjusts for a closer backup image. Wide-angle cameras. The front camera boasts a 170-degree wide-angle lens, providing a comfortable view of 3 driving lanes with no blind spots. The rear camera covers 140 degrees, making it easy to see everything behind your vehicle during real-time driving. Full HD 1080p video. The front camera captures Full HD 1080p video with a wide dynamic range, ensuring optimal performance in various lighting conditions. It automatically adjusts exposure for balanced images and footage. In conclusion, the XSQHFAN 10-inch touchscreen rearview mirror dashcam elevates your driving experience. Its larger screen, adjustable design, smart angle switch, and high-quality cameras make it an essential addition for safety-conscious drivers. If you're already a proud owner of this innovative dashcam, you've made a smart choice for your vehicle's safety.